introducing our brand new Room Bar Pro. This device is built for the medium meeting rooms. It can scale across all different types of rooms and shapes and sizes and really give you the best view for every meeting possible. This device runs our Room S11 platform, which is built in with amazing AI features like virtual lens, multi-camera, presenter tracking, frames mode, to really give you all those ability for the camera and audio intelligence possible in your environment. On top of that, we've actually got a built-in microphone beamforming array to really make sure that you can reach every possible space in the room and capture it with a clear, crisp audio. On top of that, we have sharing capabilities like Miracast, AirPlay, to really get that flexibility to every customer and what they're doing.